Well, it's been half an hour, YouTube, and I thought I would show you that the snow's coming down even harder now, if you can believe that. Wow. I cannot believe how thick the snow is coming down. Look at this. I can't believe how deep it already is. It's really surprising. I hope y'all can see just how thick the snow's coming down, because it's coming down really hard. I'm trying not to move too fast and hold the camera as steady as I can so y'all can see this. This is amazing. It's 7:50 a.m. It's February 21st, 2013. And I am really getting snowed on here. I gotta go in. Woo! This wind is blowing hard. I'll check back in with y'all later, give you an update on our little blizzard here. See you later, YouTube.